Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to test a coil that comes off of a Honda ATC. This one is a 185S, but they are generally the same. The numbers might be a little bit different, what they're supposed to be. But anyway, I was going to do a whole diagnostic thing on this because I thought it was the exciter coil that was wrong on this, but it turns out, as I was making my way down the list, it seems to be this coil here. To do this, you're going to need a multimeter, and you're going to need to set it to ohms. You're going to want to set to lowest setting to do this first part here. There are two different circuits on this. The primary and the secondary. The primary circuit, which we're going to be doing first, is between this, which goes to your CDI box, and the ground here, and the secondary is between the spark plug socket and the ground. So the first one that we're going to do is the primary. And for the Honda 185S, the primary resistance should be 0.2 to 0.8 ohms. So that's good. But this one is to a Kawasaki, so it's not going to work with my Honda here, but I'm just using it to show how to test it. So now to check the secondary circuit, I'm going to set it to 20,000, and I'm going to stick one probe in there and one probe in the where the spark plug goes. And for the 185, the secondary should be 8 to 15,000 ohms. So obviously that's not gonna work, but this isn't the right coil for it anyway. But as you can see with this one that I took off my Honda, if I check the secondary here, nothing pops up, so that tells me that it is bad. But if I go ahead and check this primary here, you can see that that still reads something. So you've got to check both circuits, and I've got a couple more down here that I tested, and all of them are bad, and it was the secondary circuit that was bad on all of them. So that seems to be the part that goes bad on these.